Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit money onto your Phantom wallet. So the first step is open up your Phantom wallet and then you tap on receive over here. When you tap on receive, you're going to be selecting the cryptocurrency that you're going to use to receive money. Alright, so for this case, I'll use Bitcoin over here. Okay, and then just open up Bitcoin over here and then make sure that you copy this address over here of Bitcoin. Alright, so when you copy this address, I'm heading over to an exchange, and for this case I'll use Binance as my exchange. So I'm assuming you have Bitcoin in your Binance. So come and tap on wallet section here and then come to spot and then search for Bitcoin or BTC. Okay, just come and tap on this, then you tap and search for Bitcoin or BTC, and then you tap on BTC over there. Okay, and then what you do is simple. If you have any BTC, you'll be able to transfer it, but if you don't have it, for this case, for this illustration purposes, you have to first come back over here. Okay, and then you just come to overview. Okay, so for this case, you come to the funding option here and then you tap on withdraw. When you tap on withdraw, search for BTC. So BTC stands for Bitcoin. When you search for this, you tap on send via crypto network, and then what you do, you come and paste this address you copy from your Phantom wallet, and as you can see, the network is BTC and the minimum is 0.00022 BTC. So if you have it, just come and tap on this and then continue and then tap on withdraw. So for that case, when you do that, you will have sent money or you have deposited money into your Phantom wallet in form of crypto. All right, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.